What's up, guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Gmail account to Claude AI. By linking your Gmail, Claude can help you search emails, summarize long conversations, and quickly find important information from your inbox. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open Claude AI and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, click Connectors. If you see a message saying that the connectors have moved, simply click Customize. This will take you to the new connectors page. On the left side, you'll see a list of available connectors. Under the Web section, find Gmail, then click Connect. A Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the Gmail account you want to connect, then review the permissions Claude is requesting. If you're happy with them, click Allow to authorize access. After a few moments, you'll be returned to Claude. If the connection was successful, you'll notice that the connection button or the connect button has changed to disconnect, which means your Gmail account is now linked. You can also review the permission Claude has, such as searching your emails, reading email threads, listing drafts and labels, or creating draft emails. If you'd like more control, you can adjust these permissions from the same page at any time. And that's it. Your Gmail account is now connected to Claude AI. You can start using Gmail with supported Claude features. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.